In this video, we will see how to create business email address and then link it to Gmail to receive and start sending emails. For example, if you bought a domain, say pestcontrolpros.com, and you want to create an email like support@pestcontrolpros.com or hello@pestcontrol.com and then start sending and receiving emails to that business email address, you need to first set that email address in your cPanel. Let's see how to do that. We are into our cPanel. I'll search for email. We'll click on email accounts. I'll be creating a support email for one of my domains. We'll click on create. Let me select one of my domain, AutoInsuranceOX. Support@AutoInsuranceOX. Here I'll set up a password. Storage space can be left as it is. Our email support@AutoInsuranceOX is created. We can check email. By default, our cPanel is providing round cube to check our emails. This is our mailbox. It's somewhat similar to Gmail, but you can see it is not as advanced as Gmail, and sending and receiving email is not that easy using these mail servers, and it's really hectic to log into your cPanel and then select this email to send and receive emails every time. The easier way is to link this email with your Gmail account. Let's see how to do that. We will select this domain. We will click on connect devices. You can see here, these are the instructions for setting up this email with Gmail. This is our incoming server, which is used to receive emails. And this is the outgoing server, which our Gmail can use to send email on behalf of support@AutoInsuranceOX. Let's try setting up these. I'm into my Gmail. We'll go to settings, accounts and imports. Now, since we are setting up the outgoing email server, we'll select this option, send email as. Add another email address. Now we will simply copy paste the instruction mentioned in the cPanel. Now the username is the email which we created, and the password is what we set in our cPanel. So our SMTP outgoing server is AutoInsuranceOX, and port number is 465. Add account. We are getting an error here that it cannot reach to our server. So we don't have to panic here. If you are getting any error while setting these up, you can contact your hosting provider to make sure that the instructions you are using are correct. So let me do it for myself. So these are the instructions provided to me by the hosting provider. You can see that outgoing server and incoming server is a little different from what is mentioned in the cPanel. Whenever you face an error, simply contact your hosting provider to get incoming and outgoing server. Let's try adding the outgoing server once again. Add account. Add account. Now our email is added. Now we need to verify it. For that, we will go to our existing mail server. I think it's already opened here. Let's click on refresh. We have received a verification code here. Our email support@AutoInsuranceOX is verified with Gmail, and we can use it to send emails. Let's try sending an email. Instead of our existing Gmail account, we'll click on this drop down and use support@AutoInsuranceOX. You can see the message is sent. Let's try setting up the incoming email server so that we can receive emails from support@AutoInsuranceOX in our Gmail account. Incoming server is same and the port number is 995. Since we are receiving emails this time, we will select this option, check emails from other account. I'll add the email account. We'll be using POP3. Let's click on add account. And that's it. So now we can send and receive emails for support@autoinsuranceox in our Gmail account. You can see that a test email from autoinsuranceox.com has been received to my other email address. Let me try sending an email to this email address now. Compose email. Send an email to support@autoinsuranceox. If I go to my inbox, I haven't received this email. Usually there is a delay of 10 to 15 minutes, but we can definitely refresh our incoming server and get that email right away. For that, we'll go to settings, accounts and import. I'll check this email server. This will ping the email server and retrieve all the incoming emails. You can see that the email which we sent to support@autoinsuranceox has been received. This is a test email and subject line, and here we can see the flow. It came from this email address to support@autoinsuranceox. This is how we can link our business email with Gmail and use it to send and receive emails.